welcome back again on my channel today. My name is Bukola for those of you who are new, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being a real G. I film about skincare, YouTube tips and lifestyle vlog for those who are new, and if you love what we do, please make sure you click on subscribe button, turn your bell notification on as well so that you always get notified anytime that I drop a new video. Today is Monday and all we do is just answering questions and get up tight and up close, you know. So the very first question that I have here is, can I mix rescue oil, beauty series and almond oil together? Yes, you can. That is such a very good, perfect mix for your body. It's going to make your skin glow super well and as well help you treat whatever reactions that you have before. Because beauty series and almond oil, even if you use them, might probably give you no reaction at all. But adding rescue oil to it as well is very good, very good. Rescue oil or tissue oil is very good when you add them to your oil. But these three combination, you know what, you are good to go. From my own end, you are good to go. It is a very good combination. So second question that I have here, because I don't want it to be too long, is sunflower oil the same one we use in cooking? If you don't know, in almost all of my oil recipe, I love sunflower oil a lot because it is lightweight, so it penetrates very fast as well. So I always use sunflower oil. But answering the question that is it the same as cooking oil, I don't think it's the same. Sunflower oil is sunflower oil, but I would still not advise you to use the one that that is written that the right cooking oil on it. Please just go to your nearby organic store and buy sunflower oil, or go online and buy sunflower oil. The third question that I have here is, can COSRX Black Power liquid, can it be used as a toner? Yes, there are people who just use it as a toner like that, and it's fine, because if you use a very good cleanser, then you can just go on with your COSRX Blackhead liquid power. That is very okay. You might decide not to get toner when you get this COSRX Blackhead liquid. You might decide not to get the toner, and if you still want to get the toner, it's fine. But there are people who use it without a toner. There are people who just use it with a toner as well. So it's all your choice. I just want you to know that the most important thing in your routine should be your cleanser, your moisturizer and your sunscreen. Every other thing is an addition, but these three things are the standard most important thing. So that should be what you should put at the back of your mind whenever you want to get something for your skin. Next question here is snake oil the same as python oil? Yes. Snake oil is the same as python oil or python fat. We call it a lot of them, but they are mainly the same. But python is a snake. All of this oil are gotten from snake, so definitely snake oil. I always say snake oil because people tend to catch it faster. When I say python oil, people will be like, which one is python oil? But when I say snake oil, they pick very fast, and that's why majority of the time I just call it snake oil or python fat. So yeah, it is still the same thing. So whenever you get to where you want to buy and they tell you that they don't have snake oil, they have python oil, then you can go for any of it. It is still the same thing that they are talking about. Next question that I have here is, I use Neocell collagen supplement gummy and it is so good on my skin. Yes, Neocell is very good. When you start using this supplement straight for 3 months, you use it for the very first month, that's just the preamble. When you use it for 3 months, oh my goodness, you will get what I'm talking about. Now, before I continue, I want to quickly tell you guys something. If you're in the UK and you want to get a skincare product, I know majority of the time people in diaspora are finding it so hard to get products over there. So I know for a fact that you want a trusted person that can sell skincare products for you. As much as we always talk about these things, there are still fake ones as well. So I know you want somebody who is going to sell original product for you. So if you're in the UK or any other country closer to that side and you want to get a skincare product, I would advise to get from my pictures skincare brand, or you chat their number up or just check their site. So I'm going to be putting their name on the screen for you people to see, and I will as well put their number in the description box for you guys to see as well. Please check them out. They are real. These people are not going to scam you. It is real, trust me, it is real. So don't be scared of, oh, I don't know if I'm going to get scammed. The product is going to be delivered to you in good condition, and they are all good and original products. So if you know that you're interested in getting skincare in the UK, definitely chat them up with this number on the screen, or check my description box as well for their full details. So yeah, let's go straight into the remaining questions. Now, next question that I have here is, What serum can you tell me to give me a yellow undertone? If you really want a yellow undertone, serums that I know, because definitely you cannot try out all serums. It's not possible for you to be able to try out all serums, but serums that I have worked with that I can say they are capable of giving a yellow undertone is Glutathione, the yellow one. Don't say because it is, I know it's so funny because the color is yellow as well, but if you know you want a yellow undertone, then definitely go for Glutathione. I have talked about this serum before, and you can as well add it to your Clear Nature body milk. For those who don't know, or for those who are using Clear Nature body milk and you're complaining, you can always add this Glutathione syrup with your Clear Nature body milk. Basically, this is one of the serum that I know that it can give you a yellow undertone. So if you want me to like say, okay, let's say I am putting myself in your shoes right now and I want to go for a serum that can give me a yellow undertone, I would rather go for Glutathione serum. And I think it's not, for what it does, it's not that pricey, so you can always go for this Glutathione serum. I don't want to give you a lot of serums for you to now start asking me again, which one should I choose from these three, which one should I choose from these two. But for a fact, I will advise you to go for the Glutathione serum. It is very, very good. And whenever you're using Glutathione serum or to mix with your cream, if you know you have dry skin, try as much as possible to add maybe sunflower oil or almond oil as well to it, just for it not to dry out your skin too much. But all the same, this serum is something that I vow for that can give a yellow tone. The effect is not immediately. Just use it for 27 days and then you should be able to see a very good result. Okay, so next question that I have here is, does the combination of alpha-arbutin, licorice powder, kojic acid and glutathione powder better than glutathione Conprime forte? You are combining the combination of 4 strong acids to just 1. Is wrong. It's definitely wrong. And this person wants to even use it to pro-mix. I will say, to my own, to the little idea of all these powders that I have, I would say that alpha-arbutin works best for those who are naturally fair. It gives them, like, you see a very good result of it on people who are naturally fair, while kojic acid work for brown skin people. Kojic acid work a lot for brown skin people. So when you want to make your choice, you can, and you know you have brown skin, or your skin is dark skin or chocolate, then you can go for options that contains kojic acid. But if you know you are fair, you can go for options that contains alpha-arbutin. It's not that alpha-arbutin does not work on dark skin as well, it's just that it takes more time to work on dark skin than to work on the fair skin. So to me, I would say glutathione Conprime forte is very, very effective, but it gives a white undertone. So it depends on what you want. That's going to determine what you want to use. So using this, you cannot compare the work of 4 different powders to just 1. And if you are pro-mixing and you are not sure, or you are not an expert in pro-mixing, make sure you know your percentage right, because this matters a lot. Percentage right before you mix. Don't just pour everything together. I always say that. If not, just go for 1 or 2 serums that is going to work, and give it time and use it with all your soap and as well your scrub to get the results that you want. But you cannot compare 4 strong acids to just 1. Glutathione Conprime forte is effective as well. It's very, very effective. People use it a lot, but you cannot just compare just this one to other 4 strong acids. It depends on what you want, and that's why I break it down for you. So last question that I have here is, what supplements are you currently using? I just take vitamin E and vitamin C. Sometimes I take cod liver oil as well. So these are the 3 ones that I just buy, because the supplements that I was using before was making me get fat. Like, I was looking chubby, and that's not what I want, my dear. I want to look a bit trim, so I stopped it. And yeah, so I just take vitamin E, sometimes cod liver oil, and vitamin C as well, because I know vitamins are very essential. So I make sure that I work with all those ones, and they are very affordable. A sachet of vitamin E that I'm taking is just 800 naira. And cod liver oil, I think cod liver oil is a bit cheaper than vitamin E. And I take what's it called, vitamin C supplements as well. I think those are the 3 supplements that I take for now. If I have any update on supplements, definitely I am going to be showing you guys. So yeah, these are the questions that I'm able to bring out. I didn't want it to be long. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And before you go, don't forget to check out our Bitchios skincare brand, and make sure that you patronize them if you are in the UK or any other country closer to them. Please and please, you can always get product from them. Any Nigeria skincare product you want, any soap, oil from Nigeria that you want, you chat them up. This is their number, and they reply fast to text as well. So make sure you chat them up to get your skincare product from them. So thank you guys so much for coming on my channel today. If you watch my video to this point and you have not subscribed, please make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure your bell notification is turned on as well, so that YouTube is